Netaji's broadcast from Berlin. Japan has no designs on India. My compatriots, we are now engaged in the task of liberating our motherland. In this great task, Japan is assisting us. I can assure you that Japan has no aggressive designs on our country. General Tojo, the Prime Minister of Japan, has repeatedly asserted the slogan of India for Indians and has also explained its significance. In our struggle to free ourselves from the bonds of slavery, Japan will give us full support and assistance. We must have full faith in Japan. The Japanese will bombard all the army and naval bases of the Britishers in India. My Indian brothers, you should not misunderstand these aerial attacks. By destroying the British bases, the Japanese are only removing the impediments to the progress of overseas Indian national armies. Japan is our ally, our helper. Cooperate with the Japanese in order to eliminate British domination and establish a new order. As an Indian, I have always been fighting for the freedom of Hindustan. I expect that all Indians, wherever they may be, should sacrifice their all for liberation of India. Particularly, I appeal to Indians in Malaya, Thailand, Burma, and East Asia to make their full share of sacrifice in the fight of freeing the motherland. The coming struggle will be a test of the real caliber of the citizens of Hindustan. Every Indian should fight with courage. Every son of Bharat should fight with the firm conviction that the day of liberating the land of our forefathers is close at hand, not very far. Netaji had vowed to free our motherland, and for this he was prepared to sacrifice all. In fact, he had sacrificed, and he was inspiring others also to do the same, because he knew unless we gave our total effort, total dedication, the liberation is really difficult. Netaji was totally dedicated to his cause, his purpose. He just wanted somehow or the other the country should be liberated sooner than later, and for that he was prepared to go to any extent.